comes Mike Castellana and Sidnei Frigo. Sidnei Frigo, over on the Motor Mile side of the racetrack, the businessman out of Sao Paulo, Brazil. Artavinco Racing and Fuel Tech. Sidnei Frigo working with Stevie Fast Jackson. Was the number 13 qualifier in Epping. Stevie Fast, for those of you who know the name but haven't followed along this year, out of the seat right now of a race car after having some back surgery in the offseason. Meanwhile, Mike Castellana working with Frank Manzo, Larry Morgan, the team at Western Beef, Alanabi Performance, NGK Spark Plug, in a borrowed race car after tearing up his familiar black machine in a testing incident. So Castellano is the number 4 qualifier in Epping, choosing Valid Health side of the racetrack. Sidnei Frigo on the Motor Mile side. Red light, Sidnei Frigo throws it away on the starting line, and Mike Castellana goes 582 with a 2 at 247 miles per hour to take Alanabi Performance and Western Beef into round number 2 of the New England Nationals. Sidnei Frigo was 040 red and goes 5.884. He knew he needed to grab a chunk on the starting line. Fortunately for Sidnei, it wouldn't have mattered. Mike Castellana did his job as a driver. 007, let go of the button.